Let's move on now to other big story, because today is the day, and in a short while from now we are expecting that the special NIA court will be delivering the verdict in the 2007 Samjhauta blast case that killed 68 people. Now 4 accused, including Swami Asimanand, will be present in court today. And let me straight away go across to Gurpreet Cheena, who is joining us from Panchkula at this point in time. Gurpreet, looking at this situation, because this is a case which has been pending for almost 12 long years, what's expected today?
Long year has been waiting for this verdict, and Samjhauta blast, that was one of the main incidents which had taken place in Haryana. So that is, a verdict is likely to come today anytime, and right now we are reporting from the Panchkula court, and we have the lawyer of Asimanand with us. So let's talk to him. Sir, today verdict is coming. So what are your expectation about this verdict?
We are expecting that a favorable verdict will come. And after a long battle of 8 years, the final judgment should be in favor of Asimanand.
Sir, what evidence is against and what evidence are in your favor?
There is no evidence in this case except the forced confessions in this case. So we are expecting that favorable judgment should come.
So some Pakistan witness had been called by the Panchkula court again and again, but they did not come. What is the status of that witnesses who were also in this were present in this case?
The Pakistani witnesses were summoned time and again, and after waiting for long, in October last year, the court has closed the evidence of NIA after giving so many opportunities.
So if we can talk about the merits of this case, what do you think about this case, that what type of evidence and what is in your favor, and what do you expect that how the court is going to take this case today, because verdict is coming today?
Except the confessional statements, which were forced confessional statements during the custody of NIA, there is no evidence on court file, and that's the reason we are hoping that a favorable judgment should come.
Sir, this is a very important case. If we can talk about this thing, at that time the Congress was ruling. This was a very important case, and the nation is looking on this case, the development, each and every development. How do you take? Don't you think that the politically motivated case was this?
Yes, this was a politically motivated case, and I will say that Asimanand is not an accused. He is a victim of political terrorism.
So we can see that the lawyer of Asimanand, he says that he's the political motivated case, and Asimanand, who is one of the main accused in this case, he says, the lawyer says that he is the victim of the conspiracy, political conspiracy. But let me tell you, the verdict can come anytime. It is scheduled at 11 o'clock, and we are reporting from the Panchkula court at this point of time. We have a lawyer with us, so he has told us all the development, how this case has gone, how the investigation has gone, because he says that only a custodial confession was the main evidence in this case, and today, because there was no witness, they are expecting that the verdict will be favorable.
But also talking about Asimanand himself, because he's just walked free when we talk about the Ajmer Dargah blast case. Also, so far we are getting to know that out of the 8 accused, 4 of them will be appearing today in court. Gurpreet.
Well, that 4 accused, including Asimanand, he will be here. So we will talk to his lawyer once again to know that in that Ajmer case, he was also acquitted in this case. Don't you think that it is also connected with the politics also, because the whole nation is looking into this, that what type of developments will be in this case? So don't you think that from that case, if we can take, so how do you expect this verdict?
From the beginning, we are saying in this case that this is a politically motivated case, and no evidence is against Asimanand. He was never a conspirator, never participated in these cases, and in Makkah Masjid case and Ajmer blast case, he has already been acquitted on the same grounds.
So do you expect that the verdict will be favorable for Asimanand?
I am hoping that the favorable verdict should come, because there is no evidence against Asimanand.
So again, the lawyer says that because there is no evidence, they expect that favorable verdict will come in this case. But he says that we have to wait for the verdict, because finally the court will pronounce that verdict today.
All right, so we are expecting the verdict to be out very soon. The case that has been pending for 12 long years, nearly 68 people, including women and children who were killed in this blast in the Samjhauta Express in the year 2007. Gurpreet, keep an eye out on all the developments that take place. We'll keep coming back to you for more.